Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Let's begin a session with governance. We are covering Current Affairs Volume 3. First is Van Dhan Vikas Karyakram. Okay, just go with this facts thoroughly. Okay. Van Dhan Vikas Karyakram is an initiative targeting livelihood generation for tribal population by harnessing the wealth of forest, i.e. Van Dhan. The program aims to tap into the traditional knowledge and skill sets of tribal people by adding technology and information technology for upgradation of output at each stage and to convert the tribal wisdom into a remunerative economic activity. Van Dhan Vikas Karyakram seeks to promote and leverage the collective strength of tribal people to achieve a viable scale. Implementation of Van Dhan Vikas Karyakram is through Van Dhan Kendra. Next one is Garud Portal. Okay. Whitesea News, Ministry of Civil Aviation MOCA and Directorate General of Civil Aviation, that is DGCA, have launched the Garud portal. Okay. Garud is an acronym for Government Authorization for Relief Using Drones. The objectives of the portal is to assist governmental entities in seeking exemption for COVID-19 related remotely piloted aircraft system, that is RPAS operations. The Civil Aviation Ministry has clarified that any violation for provisions will make the conditional exemption null and void and will lead to penal action. Next one is One Nation, One Ration Card. Whitesea News, under the National Food Security Act 2013, about 81 crore persons are entitled to buy subsidized food grain. Rice at Rs 3 per kg, wheat at Rs 2 per kg and chorus grains at Rs 1 per kg from their designated fair price shops, that is FPS, of the Targeted Public Distribution System, that is TPDS. In the present system, a ration card holder can buy food grains only from an FPS that has been assigned to her in the locality in which she lives. If a beneficiary lives in the district of Basti in Uttar Pradesh and migrates to Mumbai for work, she or he is no longer able to purchase subsidized food grains from a PDS shop in her new locality in Mumbai. Under the One Nation, One Ration Card system, the beneficiaries will be able to buy subsidized food grains from any FPS across the country. The new system, based on a technological solution, will identify a beneficiary through biometric authentication on electronic point of sale, that is EPOS, devices installed at the FPS, and enable that person to purchase the quantity of food grains to which she is entitled under the NFSA. Okay, the measure intended primarily to benefit migrant workers will also help to cut down on corruption in public distribution by reducing beneficiaries' dependence on particular shops in particular areas and also eliminating the practice of people holding more than one ration card as to be able to draw rations from multiple shop or state. Next one is Pradhan Mantri Van Dhan Yojana, that is PMVDY. Pradhan Mantri Van Dhan Yojana PMVDY is a market-linked tribal entrepreneurship development program for forming clusters of tribal SHGs and strengthening them into tribal producer companies. It is an initiative of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Thrift. Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana is launched for the holistic development and welfare of tribal population in India by plugging the infrastructure gaps and lags in human development indices. Okay. Next one is Katkari tribes. 75 tribal groups have been categorized by Ministry of Home Affairs as particularly vulnerable tribal groups groups, that is PVTGs. They are the most marginalized communities of India within the scheduled tribes. PVTGs reside in 18 states and UT of ANN Islands. Katkari tribes are designated as PVTG in the state of Maharashtra. They are found in Maharashtra as well as in Gujarat. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Subscribe to our channel. Share our videos with your friends. If you have any type of query, you can contact us. Our number is 8883456893. We are in Telegram also. Our Telegram channel ID is Agram IAS. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.